Look at this bat, guys. Come on, show him the bat, Joey. Show him the bat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Move that one wiffle ball over there.
What?
Move that one wiffle ball. Behind you. Here, picture 3.
Ready? Oh! What happened?
It was the juiciest bounce ever.
Did you swing?
Woo! Grasshopper.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's the wind.
It's the grasshopper.
Where?
Pitch the ball. No, who cares?
Where's the grasshopper?
I know it's gone. Pitch the ball.
I can't. There's too much wind. It's impossible.
Yeah, right. All right, we can play with that other one.
Happy? Get the helmet. Be happy now?
Guys, where's the grasshopper?
Whatever. Nope, that's not it. That's fun by you, Kyle.
Yeah.
There you are. You know it. You know where it is. Here's another new bat. Nerf. Another one. Since our website was so good, we had the money to buy new ones, so we should be hitting more home runs. There we are. No, it's fine. Time out, time out. 1 second, guys.
Have Joey hit a few for you. It was right over there.
That's where it's supposed to be.
Nuh-uh.
Whatever. You're like right in the middle. This one was.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, but you don't want to have all that. They can't see the ball. Sorry about the slow moving game. We'll be going fast again in no time. That's perfect, Joey. Ready?
Way too much weight.
Here. Ready? First ball. Right. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Did you guys just see that? Did you see that? Did you see that monster hit? Come on, come on. Look at this thing. It hit that tree. It hit that tree. Do you believe that? It hit that tree right there. Right there.
Holy crap!
I know. It would have been over that fence. See this fence right here? Look at that. It would have been right over that.
It hit like right there.
I know.
It was going like full speed.
It was going full steam. Hit those. Knocked a couple branches off. Came down. Landed right there. And there's the branch to prove it. Right there. Way back there. Here's another branch to prove it. There's Joey. Getting his helmet low. And we jog back. See, now that's 2 home runs. Told you we'd be getting underway soon. Yes, my name is also Chad. Sorry our videos aren't as good as they used to be. Here, fix it. Sorry they're not as good as they used to be. Fall, we can't play, we're back in school. It's terrible.
Oh, that was a half swing. That's not gone.
Are you ready? We're going to have it on my video. Right after this. Guys, oh my gosh! Come look at this! Hello, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at that, off the bounce! Off the bounce! Off the bounce! Where is he? Oh, there you are. Didn't clear the fence yet. He's right there.
You gotta get that. I don't have shoes.
Here, take mine. Take my shoes.
Where is it?
Right behind that pile. You guys see the fence, right? It's not too dark.
Almost over the fence.
You should, guys, see that pool in the background? Now me and Jay were just fooling around once. We got a metal bat and a racquetball that just say, over these trees. Ah, Jagger! Yeah, over the trees into the pool. We know we went into the pool. We heard a shriek and a splash. Not the best day for that family. But anyway, 5-0. 5-0, 5-run rule. There you go. 2 home runs by Joey. Game over.